If you recently bought a house through DR Horton, or perhaps you too were just blessed with these plain halo lights in every room in the house, today I'll show you how to swap them out for ceiling fans, but know that you can swap any light or ceiling fan in this manner. So even though we're connecting this fan, just about any universal light or fan will fit and attach the same way. We'll start by shutting off the power at the breaker. Next, we're twisting off the light cover in the middle, which doesn't take any tools and is counterclockwise. Then it's one screw holding the light into the electrical box in the ceiling. I use hand tools because I don't want to over tighten anything. And I'm using a non-contact voltage tester to ensure there is no power running to the box. There are 3 connections that are tucked into that box that pull down: hot, which is the red, neutral, which is white, and ground, which is green or copper. Unscrew the wire nuts or the wire caps and untwist the connections. If done correctly, those connections are being wrapped to the right, which means you'll untwist them to the left or counterclockwise. This is intentional to prevent them from coming loose when tightening on those wire nuts or wire caps. From here, you'll assemble or have assembled your fan or light, and when you're done, we're ready to attach the ceiling fan bracket. You'll simply put 2 of the provided screws into the designated holes of the box and then tighten them. You only removed 1 from here, but the added weight of this fan will obviously require a second. Once that's in place, they have a hook and a bracket that you can attach the fan to while you wire it. But from here, it's simply doing the opposite of what got you here, starting by connecting those 3 colored wires. Rewrap the fan connections around the ceiling connections by twisting the exposed wires together to the right and attaching the wire caps, black to red, white to white, and green to green or copper. Make sure that the caps are wrapped snug and that they have a good connection, because those do have a tendency to come loose. But once you've reattached them, if yours comes with a remote, then you'll connect this little black box in 2 places. One of those controls the light and the other controls the fan. So if you find one or the other, or both, not to be working once you're all done, start here and make sure that those are just pushed in really well. But finally, place that fan on the mount according to the instructions and tighten the screws. Head back to the breaker and flip it on. If you're lucky, the light and fan will work. But that's it. As you can see, just about anybody can do this with a few simple tools. So I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime with questions or concerns, and have a great day.